Hi, this is Oleg Shevtsov. Today with me, Dmitro Lavranyuk. We are working with Dmitro on Cloud PBX admin portal. So, Dmitro, what's new with the Cloud PBX admin portal since our last meeting a month ago?
Yes, it's been a while, and we're happy to introduce a couple of improvements we were able to deliver to the new Cloud PBX portal. So let's dive deeper. And in the newest release now, the customers are able to manage portal users, and this improvement is meant to simplify the life of a telco and their customers as well. From now on, a Cloud PBX administrator is able to add new portal users who will be managing this Cloud PBX environment. For instance, I'm adding a new team member with own set of web credentials. And when I'm choosing a role, I'm able to pick one from the list allowed for my company. And this is how I define what sort of permissions will be assigned to this new team member, right? So now we see this new guy in the list, and if we go and refresh the page in PortaBilling administrative UI, we will see that new team member on the list as well, meaning from now on, this Kenny Smith is able to log in and manage Cloud PBX instance.
Oh, it looks perfect. So we actually solve both pains. One of the pains is access to the personal information, so that people don't have to share these credentials, and the second one is that they no longer need to call PortaBilling administrators to set up permissions or create new users. Like if the role allows, they are able to create account records for the colleagues, so that colleagues can also manage this portal. This looks very interesting.
That's right. So apart from that, the portal users will be able to control from where the access is allowed, and this again solves the security concerns, and the clients better know from which IP addresses or networks the access should be provided to their Cloud PBX instance.
Yeah, it looks very nice. And also I've seen some activation date, expiration date. So most likely they're also managing this settings as well.
Correct.
And it solves situations when, for instance, someone resigns or new people are added from some specific date in the future. So it also allows to configure this stuff without calling PortaBilling administrators or without calling the provider.
Correct.
It looks very nice.
Since customers know themselves who is added to the team and when, or who is leaving the company, it's better to handle and offload this task to Cloud PBX administrators themselves.
Perfect. Do you have anything more? Like what else have been added since our last meeting?
Sure. We've also delivered a bit of enhancements to the auto-attendant configuration. Now users are able to see the list of menus, but they cannot get any idea how they are connected and when the particular menu gets kicked in during the day. So what we did, we introduced the visual editor for the IVR call flows, and this tool allows or gives a better understanding of how calls to, for instance, the main company number get treated during the day, be it active office hours or after hours. And this visual editor now also shows what nested menus may the IVR have and what's available within those menus. So if you look closer to the tree, it will actually explain how the call, the incoming call, will be treated during the day or after hours when the office is closed, whether some announcements are played or whether a caller is offered to choose a certain option from the enumerated list. Apart from that, the visual editor also allows you to fine-tune your IVR, and you can do it straight here. For instance, I noticed a mistake that this menu shouldn't be calling this action, which I am removing, and I see how it takes effect immediately, saving the changes, and voila.
Yeah, it looks very promising. I recall that when talking to Porta switch administrators, like a lot of them said that it's very difficult to find out what's going on with some specific customer with their IVR menus, how the calls are treated, whether some menus are active or not active, and so on and so forth. These IVR configurations can be very complex, and this tool looks like provide a way to look from the helicopter view and then go and configure the specific things which you don't like, or the specific things which you need to configure as a part of your day-to-day routine. So to me, it looks more convenient than the previous way to configure it. So it looks very nice, and most likely will save a lot of time for those configuring IVR menus, or maybe troubleshooting them, or maybe finding out how to adjust them to meet some new requirements or new ways of handling calls, right?
Exactly, and thanks to the feedback we got from our customers, we are able to improve that user experience end to end. So thanks to all who did provide us with the feedback.
All right, so are we done with the presentation? Like, are we done with the demo?
Yes, actually, the next thing is to give some timelines on when this can become available to our customers. So what we plan is to finish the ongoing development sprint to add some makeup to the portal. And in a month, we plan to finish the development and make the portal available for first signups. So we would like to encourage any customers of ours to become our friendly users.
Yeah, if you like the portal, and if you want to be a part of its success, if you see a great value of having this modern portal, if you understand that it will create some value for your end users administrating their Cloud PBX environment, contact us, and we'll arrange next steps. Maybe a demo, or maybe a test account, or maybe like you will be invited to become a part of this friendly user testing once the portal is out. So thank you very much, and have a good time.
Cheers.